In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Google Sheets. This process is a great way to tailor images to better fit the look and function of your spreadsheets. Let's get started by navigating through the steps. First, open up Google Sheets by selecting a project or starting a new one. If you're opening an existing document, ensure you have editing access. Once inside your spreadsheet, decide on the cell where you want to place the image. Click on the cell to select it. This step is important as it tells Google Sheets where you want to insert and eventually crop the image. Next, make your way to the top toolbar and click on the Insert menu. It's right between the View and Format options. From the drop-down, select the Drawing option. This might seem a bit unexpected, but Google Sheets uses the Drawing tool feature for image manipulation, giving you the flexibility needed to crop. Within the Drawing tool, look for the image icon, which appears like a small picture. Click on it to insert an image. You'll then see a Choose an Image to Upload prompt pop up, offering several options. Click on Browse to search your computer for the image you'd like to use. It's a good idea to ensure your images are saved where you can find them easily, like on your desktop or in a designated folder. Once you've found your image, select it and click Open to upload the image into the Drawing tool. With your image now in view, look for the Crop tool. The icon resembles two intersecting right angles or scissors, depending on your software version. Click on this crop icon to start adjusting your image. At this point, you can start cropping the image by clicking and dragging the edges to your desired size and focus area. Make sure to crop out any unnecessary parts, centering on what's most important for your spreadsheet's purpose. It might take a few tweaks, so don't hesitate to adjust as needed until you're satisfied with how it looks. When you're done cropping, hit Save and Close. This action inserts the cropped version into your selected cell in the spreadsheet. After insertion, feel free to click and drag the image to adjust its position exactly where you want it within the cell area. You can also resize the image by dragging the corners to better fit your layout, making sure the proportions suit your document's overall aesthetic. And there you have it, a streamlined way to crop images directly in Google Sheets. This feature can help enhance the visual appeal and utility of your spreadsheets quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions.